Bird, American Mouth by Iron and Wine. We're going to be capoed on the 3rd fret and standard tuning. It's a simple song to learn, mostly because it's the same progression the entire way through the song. It's 4 simple chords. Once you learn that part, you have the whole song down. The chords that we're going to learn are C, A minor, F major, and if you're like me, you like to wrap your thumb around to get that bass note. You can bar this one if you'd like. I tend to avoid bar chords if I can, just to avoid hand fatigue. Either way will be fine for this. And then a G. And I only have these 2 fingers fretting the G, but even the pinky is not really even necessary because we're only going to be playing the open strings and the bass note. And you can play with a pick. I like to play fingerstyle, so we're going to do this one with our fingers. The pattern of this song stays pretty consistent throughout the whole song. It's going to be a bass note followed by 2 strikes of the G and the B string, and it's always going to be the G and the B string. Right there. So in our C chord, we have that. The second time through, we do a 3rd time, back to the bass note. We then walk down from the C bass note to a B, and then we get our G and our B again. So for the first measure we have, and then we're gonna repeat that exact same pattern for our A minor. Except on the last one, we're gonna go, instead of back to an A bass note, we're gonna go to an E bass note. And then do our G and our B, our G and our B. So for the A minor we have, so from the C, B, A minor, E. We then go to our F, and this is where you're going to either wrap around or bar it. I'm going to wrap around. And we're going to do our bass note followed by the G and the B. And then we're going to go to our G and do exactly the same thing. Except now we're going to throw in a hammer-on, get our G and our B again. So we have, then one more. And then we're going to do a walk-up. We're going to replace the G and the B with our walk up from the G back to our C. So from the F we have to the G, hammer on, G, walk up, and repeat. I was a quick-wit boy diving too deep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the metronome going here, and I'm going to put up a couple different versions of the tab. We're going to play it once through as it is in the song, and then I'm going to throw in a couple hammer-ons that you can play around with the second time through.